Hello everyone! Are you ready for some exciting news that could put an extra $1,400 in your pocket? Yes, you heard that right. The IRS is rolling out stimulus check payments to approximately 1 million people who may have missed out during the pandemic. If you've ever wondered if you let free money slip through your fingers, this could be your chance to claim it. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to see if you're eligible, how the process works, and what to do next. Let's dive right in. These payments are set to be automatic, meaning you won't have to fill out any additional paperwork to receive your funds. The IRS has been hard at work identifying individuals who qualify for these payments, but didn't claim their full amount. If you didn't receive your complete stimulus payment during the previous rounds, it's time to pay attention, because you might be on the IRS's approved list, waiting for a boost to your finances. Imagine getting that $400 without having to do a thing. Sounds pretty good, right? So who qualifies for these stimulus check payments? It primarily depends on whether you filed your tax return and met the eligibility criteria for the Recovery Rebate Credit. This credit essentially acts as a safeguard for those who may have been eligible for a payment but didn't receive it. If you filed your taxes but overlooked claiming any of those funds, the IRS is stepping in to help you get what's rightfully yours. Now here's where it gets interesting. The IRS won't just send out funds and leave you in the dark. They will also send a payment notification letter to inform you of your eligibility. This letter will specify how much you're getting and how it will arrive, either as a direct deposit in your bank account or through a mailed check. Most payments are anticipated to land in your hands by late January, so definitely be on the lookout. While it's wonderful that the process is hassle-free, we can't ignore the reality that scammers are lurking around during times like these. Always remember that the IRS will never reach out via phone calls, texts, or emails asking for your personal information. If you receive any suspicious communication claiming to be from the IRS, don't hesitate to check the IRS website to verify its legitimacy. Protecting your personal information is essential, especially when there's money on the line. Okay, you've received your $400. Now what? That's entirely up to you. This payment could serve as a lifeline for catching up on bills, boosting your emergency savings, or even indulging in something you've wanted for a while. The important thing is to align your spending with your financial goals. This windfall could boost your financial health and stability, so be strategic about how you use it. And if you find that you don't qualify for these payments, don't sweat it. This situation is a solid reminder to stay informed about other financial opportunities that might be available to you. The financial landscape is always changing, and new programs or credits may arise that offer assistance, so keeping an eye out can really pay off in the long run. If you're unsure about your eligibility or have lingering questions, reaching out to a tax professional is a smart move. Remember, knowing your options and having clarity about your financial situation can empower you to make the best choices possible. As we enter a new year, staying proactive about your financial well-being is essential. Whether you're gearing up to receive a stimulus check or exploring other financial opportunities, being informed is key. Thanks for tuning in. If this video helped you or sparked some questions, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial updates and tips. Until next time, take care and stay informed.